Hello guys! Today ay matatest natin ng ating knowledge skills sa Grow a Garden quiz. Kaya samahan nyo kami with Yuki Boy! Are you a millionaire?
Almost.
Wow! Kaya guys, comment down below kung millionaire na kayo sa Grow a Garden. Malapit na daw si Yuki Boy guys. Pero ngayon, sasagutan natin lahat ng quiz sa Grow a Garden kung masasagutan nga natin. Kaya samahan nyo kami. Let's go!
Yay!
Ayan guys, nandito na kami sa loob ng Grow a Garden quiz. Kaya simulan na natin sumagot ng mga quiz guys. Bali, papasok lang tayo dito. Sasagutan natin guys yung mga iba't ibang klase ng crops sa Grow a Garden ha. I think dito sa easy muna. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa crops. So una nating uhulaan ito. Sa tingin mo ano to? Sa tingin namin guys, ito ay carrot. So itatype lang namin dito. Carrot. You need to type it there.
What's this?
Ayun! It's a carrot guys.
Okay.
Lu. Ayun, kailangan mo lang umalis. Wait, you need to wait. Guys, mango to. Sa tingin namin, mango to. Yun. Makakalagpas ka lang kapag tama yung sagot mo. Where are you na? Don't leave me. Guys, pumpkin daw to. Tama kaya? Yay!
Blueberry.
Blueberry.
No, no, no.
No, it's not. I think... What's this? Nahihirapan kami dito, guys. Mushroom kaya to? Ay, tama!
Help me.
Oh, it's a sunflower? Tama? Guys, sunflower ba to? Try lang namin, guys. Sunflower? Is it? Hindi daw. Guys, daffodil. Try natin. Daffodil. Favorite mo to, di ba, Yuki Boy?
Yeah.
What crop is this? Blueberry ba to, guys, o grape? Sige, grape. Try ko lang tong grape. Yun! Tama! Guys, ito yung mga stages. Ang dami-dami nila. Grabe, nasan ka na? Help me! Ang laki na ito, guys. Sili ba to?
No, no, no. It's like
Pero hindi.
pepper.
Pepper? Yes.
Yes.
Coconut. Coconut daw to, sabi ni Yuki. Tinutulungan niya ako, guys. Grabe. Apple.
Corn.
Sa tingin namin, sweet corn? Or corn?
Yeah.
Sweet corn. Sige, check natin, guys.
There's no sweet corn.
There's no sweet corn. Corn. Tama.
Pineapple.
Pineapple. This is a pineapple, guys.
Where's SpongeBob live?
Next. Ano tong red na to, guys? Strawberry? Hindi eh. Alam ko walang red yung strawberry. So, ano to, guys? Tulungan nyo ako sa comment section, guys. Kailangan ko pa mag-review. Wala, nawala pa yung internet. Guys, ito naman. Cherry blossom ba to? Is it cherry blossom? Hindi, guys. Grape. Ay, it's grape. Guys, nandito naman tayo sa isa pang category sa weather. Pero easy lang daw to, guys. So, ito parang rain siya, di ba? Is it rainy?
Yeah.
Rain. Ayan, guys. Sabi nila madali lang daw to, guys. Kagaya ng crops. Try natin. Yan, rain.
Snow.
Kahit hindi pa tayo nag-review dito, guys. Siguro, kakayanin naman natin to, guys. No! Yun! Ito, thunder.
Buga.
Ah! Oy, dan na. Tatlo lang yun. Okay, try natin dito. Natapos namin yung weather, guys. Tatlo lang pala yun. So, try pa tayo ng iba pang category. Guys, dito naman kami sa pets. Hard daw to, pero try natin. Let's go! First, chicken. Chimken. Yon! Guys, ito, snail to eh. Snail. Yun! It's a deer? Is it a deer? Yeah! Parang deer nga to. Mukhang deer. May ganun siya, guys, oh. Ayun! Excuse me!
Wait lang.
Go, type it. Guys, mukha siyang langgam. So, it's an ant. Ay!
It's an ant.
Tama. Uy, parang hindi naman hard to. Kayang-kaya nating mahulaan, guys, panda.
Yeah, panda.
Yay! Next. Oh, it's a dogo-dogo. It's a dog.
No.
Excuse me, ayaw. Oh, no. It's not a dog.
No, what?
Guys, may papakita ako sa inyong video about dito sa raccoon. Sabi nila na nangunguha daw tong raccoon, pero may nagsabi na hindi daw, nagduduplicate lang daw siya. Kaya check natin, guys.
The raccoon stole other players' fruits, but according to the description, it doesn't actually steal, it duplicates whatever it takes. Was it always like this?
So, ganun nga, guys, hindi nagnanakaw yung raccoon, nagduduplicate lang daw siya. Kaya, okay naman pala si raccoon. So, it's a raccoon. Guys, ito, familiar na familiar sa atin to. It's a monkey. How about this?
Dog.
Maybe it's not a dog. Sa tingin nyo, ito ba yung doggo, guys? Try lang natin, guys. Ay, ayaw. Hindi daw siya dog. Ano naman to? Naku, hindi ko maalala to, guys. Hedgehog? Sabi ni Yuki Boy, para daw siyang si Sonic. Ayun nga, hedgehog. Yay! Nakakailan na kaya tayo, guys? Kayo, guys, kung more than 10 na yung tamang sagot nyo, don't forget to like the video and subscribe! Let's go back to the video! Ito naman, guys, ano to? Para siyang pig pero violet. So, may mga kasabay na tayo. Nalilito rin sila. Siguro ito na yung hard mode.
Moon mo.
Moon mole? Moon mole daw, guys. Duck. Correct! Oh, it's a bee. Tama? Dragonfly. Tumingin lang ako sa chat, guys. Ayun.
Yeah.
So,
like
dragonfly.
that. A rabbit.
A rabbit. Is it really a rabbit?
Mm.
Ito na yung bee, guys. It's a bee. Oh, it's a bee again. It's a golden bee. Tama? Is it a golden bee?
Kulay.
Is it? Hindi daw eh. Hindi ba to golden bee, guys? Ayaw, nagigilitch ba siya? So ano to? Kung hindi siya bee, nakailan na kaya tayo, guys? Guys, 3 na lang. Matatapos na natin tong pets. 1, 2, 3. Hindi, ano kaya to, guys? Guys, hindi pala talaga siya golden bee kasi siya ay honeybee.
Honeybee.
Ayun.
Raccoon.
Raccoon bee. Is it? No.
Sabi sa pig.
Hindi siya raccoon bee. Guys, ito daw ay bear bee. Ayun. It's a bear bee. Oh, it's a petal bee. Petal yan. Natandaan ko yan eh.
Petal bee.
Ayun.
I know that.
Parang last na to, guys. This is the golden
Queen bee.
queen bee. Queen bee. Tapos na tayo, guys. Ayun. Woohoo.
Woohoo!
Yun.
Bing!
Guys, natapos natin lahat ng pets. Nasagutan natin lahat. Kayo ba? Naka ilang score kayo? Naka 10 scores ba kayo, guys?
I got 1 trillion.
1 trillion score? Kung nag-enjoy... bakit nyo ako tinatalunan? Guys, if you enjoyed this video, till the next time, paalam!